Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to fix GTA San Andreas full screen resolution problem. I was facing problem of GTA San Andreas resolution problems, but I have fixed that problem. Now my GTA San Andreas is working perfectly with no screen resolution problem. When I open my GTA San Andreas game, as you can see, when I go to options in a display setup, when I go to advanced, then you will find resolution option. I was using 800 into 600 resolution, that was very low. I will recommend you to use 1360 into 768 resolution, and this resolution comes after pasting those files in the game directory of GTA San Andreas. So what you're gonna do, you have to go to your browser, then you have to go to this link, then you have to download. After download, you will find this compressed file. You have to extract this file, then you will be getting these three files: GTA screen fix, vorbisfile.dl, vorbishock.dl. You have to copy these files, and then you have to go to the directory where you have installed your GTA San Andreas game. So this is the directory where I have installed. Then you have to paste those files, then the window will appear. It will ask you about to replace those files. So I have already pasted those files. As you can say, GTA screen fix.as, vorbisfile.dll, vorbishock.dll. so I have already pasted those files in the directory of my GTA San Andreas game. So that's why I am right now getting full screen resolution on my laptop. So these are the files, you have to paste those files. Then this GTA San Andreas game will become perfectly working on your laptop with no screen resolution problem. As you can see, now the game is running with no screen resolution problem. So this is working perfectly now. If you really like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any question or any confusion, leave your comments below. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.